It's over engineering. Talking to you about keys today.
Hey guys, I'm with my friends and we got a little bored during this quarantine.
A little bit.
Decided to make a video. It's been a couple years. So my friend has a 3D printer, as you can see, and we were wondering, what should we do with that? Well, I have this safe that I've had for a while, and I was wondering, what if we made a key for this?
Yeah, I wanted to see if I could break in.
So the challenge was, all I did was take a picture of the key from 2 different angles, as you can see here.
The important part there was just having something to be able to get the relative size, right? So a penny or a die or anything like that that you can put next to it, quickly run by, grab a picture of it, and then I can put that into my software and model it based on that size.
How much do you think it costs?
Oh, less than a cent.
Right, so it just takes a little bit of time, but super cheap to make a spare key.
Yeah, I only do this with stuff that you guys own or have permission to open.
Exactly. Yeah. We'll show you the model that Mark made on the computer and the process of making the key.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's jump in.
All right.
Alright, so here we are at the computer. This is FreeCAD, and as you can see, I imported that picture we took with the penny and the key. And the reason I did that is so we can get that scale right, because I know that penny is exactly 19.05 millimeters across, so there we go. I now know that we're in the right scale here, because so is this guy. The next thing I did, we can look back here, is I just did a cut. I sketched out this exact line just like this, and then I extruded that into a 3D object. So that's this first part right here. And then I just made a little handle part with a cylinder and a cube here, and I attached those all together. Those are these fusions over here. And then all there was left to do was make these last 4 cuts, and you can see those are right here, and that was those grooves where the key can actually go into the lock. And so I can just export that as an STL and then load that up into Cura. And Cura is a slicing program. So with 3D prints, you got to slice it first so the printer knows how to actually move the print head along. And then just change this to the best quality I could, made it 100% infill density, and we sliced it. And we sent that slice to the printer and printed out the key.
While we're printing the key, we're going to make some espresso. We'll see how well this works. Looks pretty close to me. You gonna give it a try?
I get the honors. Sick. So it's locked right now, as you can see. This will not open. So let's see. Jiggle that in there.
Looks a little tight.
It is a little tight. Oh, and
There we go.
there it is. So it does work. Let's see what we got here.
Very nice. So what do you think about the key?
It's
a bit tight.
It's a little tight, yeah, definitely. But for just eyeballing it from not that great of a resolution picture, first print, not bad.
Yeah, that is tight. But it works.
But it works.
There's a chance it could break off eventually, but
If you just really need
there you
to
go.
open it, there you go.
Yeah. Okay. It's starting to work better there.
I don't know what you do with outros, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I watch enough YouTube videos, I should, so.
Alright guys, that's all we've got for this video. Hopefully it gave you some ideas if you're looking to make a spare key or need to get into a lock. Let us know if you have any other questions or suggestions.
Yeah, stay safe out there.